Hey everybody, hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope you continue to have a wonderful day. Many thanks for stopping by Dancing Critter Acres. My name's Dean. Here at Dancing Critter Acres, we raise Kiko meat goats primarily, and we've got a small flock of egg-laying chickens, along with 5 different breeds of Coturnix quail, and we have some livestock guardian dogs, aka LGDs, or as I refer to them, my security team. If you've been following me along for any length of time, or have come across my channel and you've scrolled through the content that I'm posting, I've been working on a giveaway of a rustic wood American flag. There was another giveaway that I also had going for my 200 subscriber giveaway, and that was a cedar sign. That's what I'm working on now. I already did the glue up and the initial milling, ripping the boards down and jointing them and then glued them up. So thought I'd bring you along while I kind of start doing the rest of it.